Just a quick video on my Triumph Bonneville T120 Black. I just fitted this long haul fly screen to it. Looks wise, yeah, it looks not too bad, better than I thought actually. Of course I'd rather prefer it without a fly screen at all. I usually run it with the smaller one on, which is a bit of a compromise. It still looks quite good and still works. But unfortunately this one, the wind noise that it creates is terrible. It hits you right in the helmet. I'm running a Harris pipes, done a decat, and I can't hear the motor running because of the wind noise, so unfortunately I won't be keeping it. I had to buy the extended indicators to fit it as well, so bit of a bummer, but there you go. Tried it out. It actually does work as far as keeping the wind off you quite well, but like I say, the wind noise it creates is not good at all. Probably if you're wearing earplugs, probably be fine, but like I say, I couldn't even hear the motor running. But yeah, let's give it a quick round so you can have a quick look. There you have it.